In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable video downloads on Vimeo. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go and which setting to toggle so your viewers can download a video you choose. First, head to Vimeo in your browser and make sure you're in your account. On the left-hand toolbar, look for Library. This is where all your uploaded videos live in one place, making it easy to manage settings across your content. Click Library to open your collection, then select the specific video you want to make downloadable. Opening the video takes you to its detail page where you can adjust sharing and permission options. At the top right of the video page, click Share. This opens Vimeo's sharing panel, which gathers together everything related to who can watch your video and how they can access it. In this panel, find the section labeled Viewer Permissions. Under that, you'll see an option called Downloads. Simply toggle Downloads on. That's the key switch that allows viewers who have access to your video to download it directly from the video page. When this setting is enabled, eligible viewers will see a download button with available file options based on what your account and upload support. A quick but important note: the ability to allow downloads is only available on certain paid plans. If you don't see the toggle or if it's grayed out, your plan likely doesn't include this feature. In that case, Vimeo may prompt you to upgrade to turn it on. Also remember, this is a per video setting. Turning it on here affects only the video you opened. Your other videos won't change unless you repeat these steps for them. Once you've toggled downloads on, you're essentially done. Vimeo typically saves this setting automatically, so there's no extra save button to click. Give it a moment to apply across your account, and you should be good to go. If you ever change your mind, just return to the same share panel for that video and toggle downloads back off. A couple of tips as you use this feature. Enabling downloads is great for sharing deliverables with clients, providing offline access for teams, or distributing course materials. Make sure the file you originally uploaded is the quality you want people to have, since that can influence what they receive. And be mindful of privacy. Only viewers who already have access to the video will see the download option. That's it. You've enabled downloads for your video on Vimeo using the library and share settings under Viewer Permissions.